4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I have a wig review today. I have a wig review for you today. This girl right here is Alexis from Bobbi Boss. She's in the color 4. If you want to see her review and it's not up yet, go ahead and put it down below. In today's video, we are going to review a wig that I've actually really been interested to review in a color that I've been interested in reviewing. And this is Modell's COCO MEADOW. This is an oldie but a goodie, okay? It is a invisible L-shaped lace front wig, heat safe up to 400 degrees. This color right here is SP Truffle, and I have her in the color SPLatte. She comes in a lot of colors, a lot of interesting colors. Yeah, this is the color that I have right here, SPLatte. I really am interested in this one too, this SP Lemon as well. And I scooped her up from Glamour Trust for $19. All right, this is her. Ooh, look at it, look at it. Look at that coloring. It is definitely a warm number 4 root. Oh my gosh, parting space is gorgeous. You've got these 27s, then you're coming into sort of these 350s or 530s, and then into what looks to be, let me see, yeah, a solid number 4 on the bottom. All right, let's get her on. I'm excited. Ooh, ooh. This is a right-sided part. Wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say it's like large per se. This is all the hair. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so fall. I love it. Oh my. Let's see, can you adjust? So you can make her a little bit deeper, which you know how it looks stunning, but I'm not into the whole bangs in my face. This density is so thick. It's gorgeous. It is a yaki textured. At the longest, she is probably be about, at the very longest, she's between 18 and 20 inches. Let me see, can I move her just? Oh yeah. She can be slightly off-centered. All right, let me get her together and we'll see. We'll see. Slow clap, COCO MEADOW. I'm dying for this color. I know it's probably not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I like it. She did have some humpiness, so I had to take a little bit of time to really lay her down. But OMG, look at that coloring. I am love it. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yes, yes. I'm loving this. I feel like I have another one that's a similar color and I'm like really wanting to get a root. Look at that. Look how cute she is. Look how cute she is. This is date hair. If I get a date, I'm gonna wear it. If not, I'm still gonna wear it. Oh my gosh, I really love this. And I really love the coloring. Yeah, she's a keeper, man. She's a keeper. If you have COCO MEADOW, she did shed quite a bit. She doesn't seem to be shedding anymore. And it's the lighter shades, because I swear there's something about the blonde shades that make it like sweat. I opened up the part just a little bit right in the front. That's my preference. It actually wasn't necessary. I like it. I like nice wig. This is definitely a wig that I can rock with. She's about, yeah, 20 inches at the longest. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is like a fall dream. Anywho, if you have her, let me know. If you have her in another color, let me know what you think. If there's another model wig that you would like me to review, please put it down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.